This 2026 Pleasure-Way Ontour 2.2 is a Class B RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Pleasure-Way is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Pleasure-Way Ontour 2.2 and is powered by a 3.5L EcoBoost V6 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.